Hey guys, Sam here with Eating Clean, Cooking Dirty, and we are talking about 5 quick tips on how to have a very, very successful meal prep this week and going forward forever. So, tip number 1, if you are using Trello, download the Trello guide, download the grocery list, and or print the grocery list. You want to make sure you have these available. Don't go scrambling for them once you're in the grocery store. Print them now so that you have them and you are ready to go. Tip number 2, we want to make sure that we shop our pantry before we shop the grocery store. I can't tell you how many times I have gotten that $10 bottle of olive oil only to come home and find the exact same bottle of olive oil unopened in the back of my pantry. Shop your pantry, shop your refrigerator before you head to the grocery store. Next thing is storage. Let's talk about storage. You want to make sure you have the storage that is in the tools list. I've provided you a list at the top of your prep day instructions that says tools. Check that out. Pull out all those tools, make sure you have the right storage, and if you don't, make a note of it on your grocery list so that you can pick it up while you're there. Tip number 4, prep day instructions. I am a slightly OCD, highly process-driven individual. So I have taken all of the recipes that you are doing this week and I have condensed them into a single meal prep process. You are not doing one recipe at a time because that is not an efficient use of your time. You might be preheating an oven for one recipe and getting that salmon into the oven for this week, and then you're gonna move on to chopping your vegetables. I have outlined everything for you. Go step by step. When you get to a step, you put something in the oven, move to the next step until your timer goes off. You set something for 15 minutes, go into the next steps, your timer goes off, turn around, go back, take that thing out of the oven, set it down, and then continue on with your prep day instructions. Trust me, check it out. Finally, get your kids involved or your family if you don't have children. Step number 5, if you are not flying solo on this one, get your people involved. If you have children, this is an amazing way to bring them into the kitchen, get them to do certain things, get them to wash vegetables, get them some kid-safe knives. It is all about showing our family and our kids how important food is and how much fun it can be. Make it a family affair. Get your partner involved and cut down the time that you're spending in the kitchen anyway. One other little secret tip I have for all of you parents out there, I have a number of people who actually make this their date night. They put the kids to sleep on Sunday and then they come into the kitchen and they meal prep together, and it is a date. And you don't have to pay for childcare. And you are doing something amazing and productive and healthy for your family. It is a great idea. I love it. One of my members told me about it and I have just told everybody. It is awesome. Thank you so much. 5 tips. Make it happen. Make this a really awesome week, guys. I'll talk to y'all soon.